Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm going to tell you of how to change the battery on the Honda Smart Remote. I have two of them right in front of you and I'm going to show you on both of how to change it. They're pretty much the same, but just in case you think you have a Honda Odyssey, not a Honda Pilot or a Honda Accord, then you have both of them in here. So first of all, there's a little tab on the back of the key and you slide it to release the emergency key. The emergency key, take it out and use that part of the key to stick it in between. There's little tabs in between here. Stick it in here, twist it in order to open the case for the key fob, and here's where the battery is. So take the battery out, and this is the CR2032. When you put it back in, make sure you put it the same way, which is the plus side up. Close the case, align it, and push it so you can hear the click on all four sides. There you go, and you're done. Replace the emergency key and voila, this is for a Honda Pilot. Works the same exactly on the Honda Odyssey. So again, take a quick look, release the emergency key, put the key blade in between those two tabs in here. Battery's right here. By the way, the battery on those is CR2032. And again, the battery goes the plus side up, so the flat side up. And simply put this key back together. Replace the emergency key, and you are all set. That's it. Simple enough. This is how you change the battery on a Honda Smart Remote. Hope this is helpful. Thank you.